Explanation: half. Sonu has a large sheet of paper. Both Sonu and Salma want to draw a picture. Sonu: let's divide this sheet into 2 equal parts. Tony: come, I'll do it. Sonu and Salma both got half a sheet of paper. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. A quarter. Tai: Salma, Nandu, Sonu, Tony, come here, all of you. I have a large sheet of kite paper. Each of you use it to make a kite for yourself. Tony: it means that we will have to make 4 equal parts of that paper. Nandu: I'll make the 4 equal pieces. Tai: excellent. Each of these parts is a quarter of the big sheet of paper. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. Observe the pictures below to understand the meaning of quarter. A whole cucumber, a quarter of a cucumber, a whole watermelon, a quarter watermelon, a whole cake, a quarter of a cake, a whole, a half, and a quarter, a whole, a half, a quarter. If we divide a half into halves again, we get 2 quarters. We have seen already that when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get a quarter. If we put 2 quarters together, we get a half. Similarly, if we put 4 quarters together, we will get a whole. 3 quarters. Nandu: I have drawn lines in this picture so that it gets divided into 4 equal parts. 3 of these parts have been colored. In other words, 3 quarters of the paper has been colored. If a whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we take 3 of them, the part that we have taken is called 3 quarters. Half a guava, a quarter of a guava, a half and a quarter make 3 quarters. 3 quarters may also be called a 3/4 part of the whole. When we take away a quarter from whole, what we have left is also 3 quarters.